This is Rohit, and firstly, welcome to Full Tank Films. And this is our morning at JW Marriott. So we just dropped our luggage and it's 6:45 basically. Hi Bharat, good morning. तो जल्दी बस जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. Then we'll figure out what to do. ये तो बस चाय पी के मौसम एंजॉय करने का टाइम है.
हॉट फीलिंग्स जब भी मेरे तरफ से इसको देखते ना ऐसे करना. आई न्यू दैट वाज कमिंग. नो फॉरगेट ऑल सेट.
Okay, this is how we look. और ऐसे लगता है when you go to Ladakh.
और एक बाहर उधर रख दिया मैंने.
क्या?
और एक रख दिया मैंने. अच्छा यहाँ पे.
हाँ?
बड़े बता दे.
Keys? No.
It's raining here.
It's raining.
You didn't mount no yet.
Raining and it's going to rain. We're not sure because we're going to ride around 200 kilometers today. I didn't want to take the risk, so I just put on some desi jugaad. And this is the helmet. This is how it looks. And this is how the vibe is. Amazing, man. There's a lot of rain today. I mean, this, if you look at here, there's so much water. पता नहीं ये कब और कैसे क्लियर होने वाला है. We're gearing up and we're ready to go. Back up! Let's go, guys! All the best! Let's do this. My God, man, I'm feeling so many emotions right now. There's a feeling of nervousness, there's feeling of little anxiety, and there's connect over, and we've also connected to the intercom. Ganpati Bappa Moria. I think it started drizzling. मतलब कल almost from morning it rained till 4 o'clock in the evening, and again in the night it started at around 10-11 o'clock. So this is the amount of rain that has caused the water to, you know, didn't even drain, I guess. Oh भाई अभी से water crossing है क्या? Stop for today is going to be Narkanda. It's about 170 kilometers, and yeah, we are not yet sure where we're going to take our first break. Probably 80-90 kilometers from here we'll take our first break. So yeah, let's see how the ride goes. Every 10-15 kilometers the landscape is going to change, the weather is going to change, and matlab crazy. I mean, there is no way the camera is doing justice unless and until you come here and you see it with your naked eyes. There's no way the camera is doing justice. We just stopped for a hard regroup.
You're saying something. What is the voiceover for today?
So today's voiceover is we've reached half the destination.
I think we've just done about 10-12 kilometers and we stopped. We just covered in sweat.
It's just getting better and then we'll stop again.
And it started to rain
It
again.
started to rain again.
I think we have to put in the raining air. Okay, our truck is also here. Our G-Wagon.
Okay, so me and Bharat, both of us will be the right lead on this particular group. But it's not necessary that Bharat will always be at the rear. Bharat will keep moving up and down.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
Whenever we turn, we mark, we put the indicator on, we turn, we switch off the indicator. Don't let the indicator for eternity.
Here's a quick trivia. What do you do when you turn?
Stop and wait.
No. So you take a turn, you put the indicator, left or right. What do you do after you're taking the turn? You switch off the indicator. The roads will get narrower. Okay? Be very safe. You'll see a lot of oncoming traffic. Okay? Take care of each other. And if you see somebody missing, stop that. You have all our numbers. Drop a message in the group. Call up Rahim or the content team or the Hilux. Wait for it. If you don't see anybody, ask which way to go.
Okay, but today, tomorrow, take care. Also,
No formal lunch break. No formal lunch break.
There's never going to be a formal lunch break. Okay, we'll stop at that time. Whoever is there, we'll stop. We'll have our lunch and we'll start pushing off.
So that's what you heard from the lead. So we've got instructions and we're going to follow them. Let's get up again and we'll move.
So the weather is very unpredictable. Malab, it's getting sunny for 2 minutes and then again it's raining and again it's drizzling right now. Malab, yeah, just look at the clouds, man. Malab, I don't know how it's going to be when we reach Narkanda. So I'm really excited and really waiting for it. Looks like there's a lot of traffic. क्या तो दो चीज़ें हो सकता है. One is there are a lot of people who are going to Shimla, Narkanda, ये सब. Or there's a landslide that's happened. I can see the traffic almost till my line of sight. Oh, ये तो काफ़ी interesting है बबुआ. मेरे को ऐसे बीच में इतना हेडेक हो रहा था ना, जैसे जैसे थोड़ा एल्टीट्यूड बढ़ा, आई वाज लाइक भाई अभी बैठना है थोड़ा. भाई साहब बैक का हालत देखो. सो दिस इज जस्ट आफ्टर 30-40 kilometers. So once we finish 2800, I think ये तो yeah. Okay, we are 30 kilometers away from Solan and probably we'll cross Solan and then reach Shimla and then take the next break. So we've almost reached Solan and Shimla is 53 kilometers more. I think we must have probably done around 50 kilometers. Oh, that's nice. So we have 120 more to go. Oh bhai, we are literally riding in the clouds. Just look at the view. My god, man. I mean, if these are the views on day one, I'm just waiting for, the next few days. Looks like one of our riders fell and the mudguard broke. He's okay, nothing to worry. So they're just fixing the bike also. Sir, you're okay? Huh? Okay. We're still around 30-40 kilometers away from Shimla and we have our doctor's vehicle also waiting for us. So we have to leave soon because the gun wagon is also going to be reaching soon. Yes. मतलब हम तो पूरा बारिश में वी आर ड्राइविंग अभी शिमला तक. द नेक्स्ट 23 kilometers or so it's going to be just like this and then we'll reach Shimla. Yes, this is Shimla and we have 90 more kilometers to do to Narkanda. 90 more, yeah. So we have just stopped for lunch. Enjoying our kadhi and rajma chawal here. So basically after lunch we just discovered that we have lost the route that we're supposed to go in, and it's taking 2 hours now for 60 kilometers. I don't know if the route that side was any better, but yeah man, I mean it suddenly started raining very heavily. I mean we're all fully wet and my gloves are wet. I can feel the water seeping in my gloves. So yeah, I hope this rain stops soon, man. East Portal, we don't know where to go now. Sir, नारकांडा कहाँ जाएगा? नारकांडा? अरे मैच. अच्छा, that's it. धन्यवाद जी, धन्यवाद for giving us such beautiful views here in I don't know what is the place name since we've lost the route, but whatever it is. We've just been driving endlessly in these mountains and the ghats, और अभी तक we have not reached the hotel. ओ भाई, अब तो zero visibility हो गया है. It's literally zero visibility. Man, the first day I did not expect it to be so tough, but yeah, this is what we've signed up for, and we're going to take it one day at a time. So finally we got some sunshine, and we were here at Thiog's Cafe, and we stopped for tea. We still have 1 more hour to go. हमसे उन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा भैया? पर अच्छा है. I think our gloves and everything will get dried up at least a little bit for tomorrow. So we're good there. अगले 1 hour प्लीज़ भगवान यार ऐसे ही सनशाइन रहने दो, थोड़ा और गर्मी कर दो ताकि हमारा गेयर सूख जाए. So we don't have to struggle for tomorrow. Let's all pray for this, guys. Amen. भाई अभी क्लियर था यार, अभी मतलब 2 सेकंड के पहले पूरा व्यू क्लियर था. If anyone can guess what this is, please let us know. अगर आपको चाहिए तो you can take the route from Shimla to Narkanda and you'll find it here. भाई मैप लेने का लगा है ना. ओके आ जाओ फिर, लेट्स द गोस। भाई ये पकड़ना बाइक, 1 मिनट पकड़ियो।
And this is the view from the hotel, and another view. So this was a crazy ride, man. I mean, just look at my hands. Ye wala dekho. And this is like the worst. And we drove about 170 kilometers, and we've missed the route, and it had cost us 15 kilometers and about 30-40 minutes extra.
मतलब मैच में बहुत अच्छा करता था मैं टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस, लेकिन रेस में क्या करता है, रेस मेरे हिसाब से पहले आना है। मैं आ जाए पहले पहुंच जाऊँ, मेरी पेनल्टी पे पेनल्टी। वो कह रहे कि मैंने बोला सर मैं तो इनसे पहले पहुंचा हूँ, ये मेरे से पहले चले थे, मैं इनसे पहले पहुंचा, इनसे पहले नहीं पहुंचना। तो मैं चॉकलेट दिए का चार्ट का तुम्हारा टैंक पे चिपकाना था। मैंने कौन सा, तुम ब्रीफिंग में नहीं थे।
That was pretty much of day 1. हम लोग रात को यही भगवान को प्रे करके सो गए कि भाई हमको कल बारिश नहीं चाहिए. We were already tired riding for almost 200 kilometers in rain. We do not want rain again tomorrow. And सुबह उठ के